And another one of our top trends that's very important, and it's on the economic front, and that's banks go bust. Last year was office building bust. We warned about this when they launched the COVID war and told people you can't go to work, stay at home. Now people are staying home week after week, month after month, year after year. And they're saying to themselves, I've been getting up at 5 o'clock in the morning to go to work, to commute an hour and a half each way, and it's costing me all that dough. How the hell have I been doing that? I'm not going to do that anymore. Now, I'm a guy, let's say I have 10 stories in I'm an office building. Yeah, listen, stay home a couple of days a week. I don't need 10 floors. Everybody's in a damn cubicle anyway. I don't see them. I got all these employees. So now I'm an office building owner. How am I going to pay my loan? You're not. Oh, and you got a revolving loan. Interest rates are a lot higher than when you bought this thing. That's the office building bust. Not my data, the facts. Castle System with a K. Office occupancy rate, 50%. That's right, occupancy. Vacancy rate, nobody there, bop, zip, zero, 20%. 20%, fake it, fake it. Now, all the businesses that depended on commuters, by the way, going out of business. No getting your shoes fixed, no hairstyle, no delicatessens, oh, you're in the UK. How about a place called Canary Wharf, huh? Oh, you remember when they were pulling out of there? It's all over the world. This is serious. Now, the banks are just going to, so we had the Silicon Valley bust, and the First Republic and the other one last March. You haven't seen anything yet. No one talks about it. We're the only ones writing about this. No one, no magazine, other people, smart people are talking about it, know this stuff. But no magazines writing about this in detail like we are in the Trends Journal. Nobody. Wall Street Journal, whole big article on the 20% vacancy rate. Not a word on how this is going to affect the banking system. Zero. Nothing. So that's what we're very, very concerned about.